Okay, so I think this is the 4th video, which is eyes, and I'm still debating what I really want to do with my eyes, so bear with me, guys. See, I was planning on doing a red lip, but now I don't even know what to pair the red lip with. Actually, guys, I think I'm gonna go green. I'm gonna go green and then a red lip, so like Christmas. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do a green eyelid and then red lips. So let's get this started. So here's what I do for my eyes. I usually prime my eyes, and I understand that when James Charles was talking about this palette, he said there's a certain primer that we're supposed to use. I don't have that primer, so I'm just gonna actually use my MAC eyelid primer. Well, it's the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. And I'm actually gonna use my finger. I usually use a brush to apply this, but sometimes I feel like it doesn't really like look settled on. So I'm actually just going to use my finger. Oh, and this is what it looks like. This is the Pro Longwear thing. If it'll, you know, it's not gonna do it. Okay, never mind. Anyway. So I'm just patting it on with my finger. And guys, please use a clean finger, not a dirty finger. Alrighty, so like I said, I applied it with my finger, but I'm actually gonna go back in with my brush, and I'm gonna show you guys what brush I use too. So go back in. Sorry, my son was watching YouTube, and now he's in the room watching YouTube. Kids these days. Alrighty, so the brush that I'm gonna go in and kind of buff this out with is my Morphe E8 brush. It's really, I love this brush. Like, it's so cute, and it's perfect for powders and stuff too. But I just use it for my priming my eyelid. So now I'm going to go in with a brush. And if I have a brush, which I don't even think I have. Alright, I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this, like whether I'm gonna pack it on or what. Luca! My son's a bum. Okay, anyway. So I'm actually gonna use this Morphe brush. And it doesn't have a number on it. It came in my Jaclyn Hill set, I think. Yeah, I think it came in my Jaclyn Hill set, but yeah, it's just a eyeshadow brush. It's round at the top. Let's see if you guys can get that. Is it zooming in? I can't really tell. Okay, there it is. So it's like round at the top. It's very fluffy. It's perfect for kind of like precise looks. So I'm actually gonna go in with the color Luca. I'm not fixing it either. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Luca. I'm gonna go in with the color Daddy, which is just a green color. And then now I'm gonna kind of go in at the top, sorry, like around it with the color Social Blade. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M44-1 brush. What happened there? Yeah, you broke the screen over there, didn't you? Alright, so yeah, now I'm gonna go back in with the color Social Blade. And this is kind of going out of, sorry, my outer crease. So now I'm actually gonna go in with my concealer, and it's my Master Conceal from Maybelline, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease, half cut crease. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my my Silk Pro concealer brush in C210, and that's what this looks like. Alright. So now I'm actually gonna go in on that cut crease in my lid with the color Guac. And this one, I'm gonna use my Makeup For You brush. Got them from Amazon. Real cheap. These are actually my first makeup brushes I ever bought. I'm gonna spray my brush with the setting spray. Well, with the Prep and Prime spray from MAC. And I'm just gonna pat out my lid. And now I'm actually gonna go back with the color Daddy and my brush that I use for that, and I'm going to kind of blend it in. Now I'm actually gonna go in with like a gold color, and this is gonna be like kind of my transition color, but not really. This time I'm not gonna put any Prep Plus spray on it because it's not something I want heavily on my lid. I kind of, it's like I said, it's a transition color, so it's just gonna like do a little sparkle, but not much. Alrighty, so I got it there. Now what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to prep my eyelashes for my falsies. And the one I'm actually gonna use today is my e.l.f. I'm not gonna show you guys the package because honestly, like, it's wear and tear here, but it's the e.l.f. multi-dimensional lash for full volume and length. They don't have the name of them on here. I have a number, but no name. So I can't tell you guys what they're called, but like I said, that's just the brand of them is e.l.f. and it's the Luxe Lash Kit. I'm gonna use my Duo. Even though I hate this eye glue, but it's the only one I got right now, so I have to use it. And I usually just apply my eyelashes with my fingers because tweezers work sometimes not, so it doesn't really matter. And before you apply these lashes, you definitely want to measure them to make sure they're the right size for you. And cut them if you have to. You guys, I'm trying not to cry here. Woo! This is the only thing I hate about putting on lashes is that I always feel like I have to cry. Oh my god. Like my eyes water up like crazy when I do my eyelashes, and also when I do like my under eye shadow. Like the hardest thing to do is put on lashes. I'm not gonna lie, it took me like months to really learn how to apply my lashes. But that's because I really didn't apply lashes like that, and now that I'm doing it so often, I'm getting really used to it. Alright, so now we're gonna go in and do the under eye. I'm gonna use my M506 brush and go in with Daddy. And for my under eye, I'm actually gonna do more like an ombre. So I'm gonna start off at this end and then go in. And I'm trying to make it seem like it's going around my eyes, so I have to come in from over there. Now I'm gonna go in with my E36 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Social Blade. Now I'm going to take my bigger brush with Social Blade and kind of go around. And I'm also gonna use that same color I used for my transition color, which is shade single. And this time I'm gonna use the setting spray, and I'm going to put it under my eyebrow, on my eyebrow bone. because this is gonna kind of be like my highlighter. And I'm also gonna dab some in the corner of my eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I like the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. I also have the Total Temptation, but I don't use that as much as this one. This one really like pops for me. Guys, I just got mascara on my cheek. Alright, now I gotta go back in with my I know it looks funny. So I put a lot of setting powder to kind of help with rounding it out a little bit more. Just because it was actually a little too farther out of my eye than I wanted it to be. So now my eyes are basically done. That's really it for a cut crease look. If you guys want to do something like this, this is very dramatic, but not very dramatic, but it's glamorous, and I would definitely recommend this type of eye look for like any holiday party, especially Christmas. With Christmas coming up, you guys should do this. But yeah, that's like my basic eyeshadow soft glam kind of look that I would do for someone. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, and also make sure you check out my next video, which is going to be finishing out the contour and finishing off the look with highlight also. So yeah.